guys, this is Team Retro.
Oh my god, it's so big.
Excuse me guys, what are you doing?
Sorry.
Cameraman, hold the camera properly. Hi guys, this is Team Retro. Here to present college life.
बस ऐसे रहना बदलना मत तू ख्वाब है बस ऐसे रहना हाँ तू लाजवाब है जैसे दिन और ये रात और ये पल दो पल का हमारा हो नशा
Hello sir, please introduce yourself.
This is Amit here, cultural coordinator.
So please tell us about your most favorite college memory and how do you feel talking about it right now?
College. PU was quite serious. Just one relationship, I guess. That was the only thing which happened. Then it was studies and doing something in dance. That's all I did. As came to degree, yeah, I bunked quite a lot of classes, but I broke my shoulder. I had to go for a surgery. Didn't attend 6 months of my class. I was practically cool at that time because one whole year, all the teachers saw me as a patient. On this, next this. Oh, best memory I could say is having 2 friends who were from Thailand. So practically 3 years of my life I was just chilling with them. They were the best company I could ever have.
I'm Anna. Hello. Tell us about yourself, which college you study.
Okay, to begin with, my name is Hannah. I am a soft skill trainer in this college. And to be honest, I was also a student in this very college, St. Clark PU College. I remember back when I was a student, I was all around probably the student who the teachers were the most annoyed with. I was a part of the student cabinet, so I was never in class. I was always behind activities, running around and all of that. And now when I'm on the other side of the table, all I can see is why didn't my teacher hit me and tell me to sit in one place. This was one of the most best and beautiful parts of my life. I did my degree in JNC, I did many other things outside, but Claret was always home, has been home, will be home for me. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi sir, hi ma'am. Tell us about yourself.
So I am Girish and this is my wife Sheetal. We are 2006-2008 Clarets passed out.
So college life is one of the memorable life. So if given a chance, what do you want to repeat doing and what do you want to stop doing?
I would probably want to repeat the entire thing because I have very wonderful memories of my 11th and 12th. I made my best friends when I was in my PU and also I met my life partner when I was in my PU. So I would like to revisit and live the entire 2 years again.
Same here, it's been a wonderful journey. Everybody wants to be in college. When we are there, we think, we go out and we earn money and that's been the most beautiful part of our life. But when we think about the way that we have come so long, college and school is something that nobody forgets and there's a lot of memories attached to it. Like I always believe the friends that we make in school and college are for a lifetime. They stay with us forever.
Thank you so much for your precious time.
Thank you for this opportunity and thank you for taking us back to our college days.
Hello Mummy. Mummy, please introduce yourself.
എൻ്റെ പേര് റീറ്റ അലക്സാണ്ടറാണ്. എനിക്ക് 76 ഇയേഴ്സായി. ഞാൻ പഠിച്ചത് കേരളത്തിൽ സുൽത്താൻ ബത്തേരിയിൽ സർവജന സെക്കൻഡറി സ്കൂളിലാണ് പഠിച്ചത് 60 വർഷത്തിന് മുമ്പ്. ഞങ്ങൾ ഈ കാലത്തെ മാതിരി ആ കാലത്ത് ബസ് സൗകര്യം യാത്രാ സൗകര്യങ്ങളൊന്നും ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല. ഒരേ ഒരു ബസ് തന്നെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, CC ബസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട്. ആ ബസ്സിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ പോവും. വരുമ്പോൾ ചിലപ്പോൾ ബസ് റിപ്പയറായി പോവും. റിപ്പയറായാൽ ഞങ്ങൾ 15 കിലോമീറ്റർ നടന്നിട്ട് വേണം വീട്ടിലെത്താൻ. അങ്ങനെ നടന്നു വരുമ്പോൾ അവിടെ മലയും കുന്നുകളും എല്ലാം കാട് വഴിയാണ് തന്നെ വന്നുകൊണ്ടിരുന്ന് അങ്ങനെയെല്ലാം കഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാണ് പഠിച്ചത്. എനിക്ക് ഏറ്റവും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട സബ്ജക്റ്റ് സയൻസ് ആയിരുന്നു.
Hi, Tanisha Akka.
Hello.
So today I'm going to be asking you some questions about your college days and some memories of fun you made in college. So first question, how were your college days?
Oh, my college days were amazing. I studied in Mount Carmel Peel College, so it was a lot of fun. I participated in a lot of cultural activities, met a lot of like-minded people, and got friends for life from that college. Yes, fun memories, yes, but I think I did miss the Indian crowd because I feel Indian friends, you get along with them, you have a unspoken understanding within Indian friendships and friends for that matter, whereas the UK culture is quite different. I mean, friendships for them is a different concept altogether, but it was a great exposure for me as I was in between understanding the UK culture as well as an Indian culture, so I think I had a lot of international exposure.
Over these years, the world has faced a lot of drastic changes.
The only thing that stays constant and nostalgic is the college days.